Welcome my students. Now today we will discuss lesson 2 Windows 7. In this lesson already we have discussed few points, and once again this is for your revision purpose, that how we can operate this window in our computers and how it is helpful in our computer system. Now Windows has simplified the task of managing data in computer. The data in a computer is organized in the form of files and folders. So whatever the uh, items we are keeping, means songs, text, video, or any written format which you have written, or in XLS format, DOCX format, whatever the content it will be stored in the files and in the folders format, and everything will be organized in a hierarchical way. Hierarchical way means first it will be stored in any drive, means C drive you can say, but we should not use C drive. Then D drive or E drive we can use, and we can separate the drives according to our need. This is not mandatory always to separate the drives, but we can separate. For example, if in D drives I want to save movies, so it is okay. If in E drive I want to save certain text file or certain audios file, then also it is okay. So like this we can segregate the files according to our need, and whatever we will save, that will be in a hierarchical manner. Means whenever next time we will open, first we have to go to the C, D, E, any drive which you have chosen, like D drive, double click on it. Then in that, the file name, the folder which you have created, that folder must be known to you, otherwise you will not be able to get your file again. Then after, you can click on your desired file, and your desired file will be opened with the help of the desired software. Means if you have opened docx file, then Windows Office must be present in your computer, and all these type of softwares we will discuss today thoroughly. Means the operating system will help you to run your computer system. You can run the computer system with the help of operating system. Second thing, the Windows Office or the Tally or the Paint or the Tux Paint, means, or any game which you have installed in your computer, all these things are called the application software. So operating system like Windows 7 is the system software, and all other things which we are installing according to our need, that is called the application software. Now in Windows you can locate your files and folders either in document folder or Windows Explorer. Means in document folder, if we will go, then files like pictures, like songs, like any other downloaded content which you have saved, that you can get easily. Or Windows Explorer is the second option through which we can access our file. Windows Explorer is present in the operating system tool, in accessories, and in ease of access folder. Means you have to go to start button, then accessories, then ease of access, and then you will get this Windows Explorer. So what is the use of this Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer will help you to locate your files and folders when you will start your computer. For example, if the files are saved in C drive, and how will you open the file? You have to go to C drive, you have to go to D drive, you have to go to any other drive, then you will double click on it, then you will open the file. Again, if you want to open the second file, then you will get your computer back, then again you will double click on the next file, then again if third, then you will to close the file, opened file, then again you will come back, again you will open the next file. So all these things Windows Explorer will reduce. Simply you have to go to Windows Explorer. Your computer system will be shown to you in two panes, left and right. In left pane it will show the drives, and in right pane it will display the content of the drive. For example, if the D drive is containing 10 files, 10 folders, then when you will click on D drive, then all the 10 folders will be displayed to you. So first thing we will discuss that what are the benefits of this. Like document folder is more convenient for viewing the folder or the windows at a time. Windows Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing. This is very much clear. Windows Explorer is used to view, explore means you can open the file at that time also. You can play the file, you can play that file, you can use that file at that time also. Files. Windows Explorer enables you to display the directory structure that includes drives folder files. Means in Windows Explorer we can use directory structure. Directory structure means hierarchical structure. For example, the way in which the files is saved. For example, D drive, then your folder name, then your file name. All these things will be shown to you in Windows Explorer. Now, how will you start Windows Explorer? This is the very common thing. Now you have to go to the start button, then after all programs, then after accessories, then after Windows Explorer. Start button, you know, this is present at the left hand side downside corner. If you are using Windows 7, then it will be circular in shape. If you are using Windows 10, then it will be in square format. So according to the computer system it will change. Now then after all programs, this will also change. If you are using Windows 7, then pop-up menu will appear. If you are using Windows 10, then you have to search. If you are using Windows 8 also, then also you have to search the file. Then accessories, you will get accessories is in a folder format, and when you will open this accessories, then Windows Explorer you will get. Click on it, then Windows Explorer will be opened, and it will segregate the window in two different panes, left and right. Left pane will display the hierarchical way of folders, and the right way will display the content in that folder. Now in this, the windows of Windows Explorer is divided into two panes, left and right, as already I have said. The left pane displays the disk drives and the folders in the hierarchical order. Hierarchical order means top priority will be at the top, then the lower priority will be at the downside, and then according to this it will be displayed. The right pane displays the content of the drive folders that is selected in the left pane. You will find this dark triangle or the means white color triangle. I would like to show you, if you can see this. You can see this, the dark triangle and the light triangle. So this is the dark or light triangle you will get, and sign place before disk drives or the folder name. You will get this symbol before the folder name. Simply you have to click on it. Now what the symbol will represent, you have to understand this. The white triangle sign indicates that folder contains some folders. Means if the triangle is white, it means that few folders are present in it. You can open, then you will get some new folders. Then click the white triangle, sign will appear subfolders inside the folder, and triangle sign changes into dark triangle. When the white triangle changes into the dark triangle, it means that inside no folder is present. Inside now files are present, and you have to open the files. The process is called expanding. If you click the black sign, the expanded subfolder will collapse back. means this is very clear. White triangle will display that something is present in that folder. When you will click on white triangle, it means it will be opened. It will be again shown to you in some new format, some new folders. The black triangle, if it appears, it means that subfolders are finished. No folder is present in it. Now if you will click on the black folder, it will come back again. Now in this, now few know the facts that you must know. In MS Office 2007, the width of the file extension is of 4 characters. Now what is the width of the file extension? First you must know that what is the extension. Extension means if I am saving one, if any MS Word file it is, and in MS Word you can type something. After typing, if you want to save the file, so simply you will give the name. For example, 1 I have given. Now the file will be saved 1.docx. This docx will come itself automatically by the MS Office. It will be given. Now if any PowerPoint is there, PowerPoint means presentation that we are showing certain things in our way. If we want to apply animation, then we can do. If we want to apply certain movement, then also we can do. We can change the color. Our idea we can present in some moving format. Now then after 2.pptx. So these are some formats, and the extension which MS Office automatically giving, this is called extension. This is different for 2003 version. This I am mentioning here. In 2003 DOC only, PPT only. So this you have to remember. If in 2003 MS Office is present in your computer, then you have to take care that this DOC will be there only. If 2007 or higher version you have, 2010, 2016 you have, then docx will be there. So in this computer book we are discussing the Windows 7 and Office 2007 and higher version. Then we are discussing that this is having 4, the size of this extension is 4. Now viewing files and folders, how we can view the files and folders. Now Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify your file while you are viewing them. Now in multiple ways you can apply the views in your files and folder. For example, if you are not able to understand it in the small formats, then you can understand it in big format, in large format you can display. So there are certain views. Large, extra large means you can make it big, you can make it in detailed format, you can make it small, or the way in which you want. So this is the format. Now Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify your file while you are viewing them. The information can be viewed in the different modes by clicking on drop down arrow. Now in view button there are certain buttons in which we can apply the view format, and this is the drop down button which you can see here. In this drop down button it will be displayed all the views format. Now one fact is there, I hope that you must know. Library is a kind of folder in Windows 7. When you will click on the start button, left hand side, you will get one library option. In that folder, used to manage documents, movies, music, pictures and other files. The library folder gathers files that are stored in the different locations and displays them in a single collection. For example, if songs you have saved in D drive, then it will collect it in a music format and it will display. If you have saved the music file JPG means pictures, in certain other locations, then it will collect all the files and then it will display to you. So library is a folder in which all the files and the folders we can see at one time. So this will be very useful for us. We are not supposed to search the picture and the songs in all the computers, we can see here. Now certain views are there that I would like to discuss with you. Number 1, extra large and large icons. Extra large and large icons. What is the meaning of this? In this, they display the gigantic and the large icons of the files and the folders. These two can be very useful when working with images and video files. So when we are working with videos and images file, then it will be very useful. Why this is useful? This is very clear to all of us, that if many pictures, 100 pictures we are having, and we want to delete some pictures, so it is very tough to open all the pictures and it is very tough to go through all the videos one by one. So it will take time to open all, then delete all. Simply in extra large or in large icon, what will happen? It will be displayed in small thumbnails, it will be displayed, and when you can see this at your in front of your system, then simply you can delete them, whatever the photo you want. Means no need to open the folder at that time. You can simply see it and you can delete it. So this is very useful while we are working with videos and with the picture files. Now next is the medium icon. So what is the use of this medium icon? It displays the files and the folders as medium icons, giving you a better idea for the file content. Means it is not very large, it is not very small also, and it is very useful. It is very you can display this in a very small format, so it will consume less space also, and it will be clear to you that what is the file name and what is the folder that you have prepared. So the second is medium icons, and this medium icon will be shown to you in a very small format in your computer system. Now next is your small icons. What is small icon? Small icon is displaying the content in very small format. It displays your files and folder as small icons without a preview of its content. It will not preview any content, it will not display any content. So this is the use of this small icon. The file name is displayed next to the icon, and just after the icon, means if here is the icon, then name will be displayed here. So this is the format, and in this small icon no preview of the content will be shown, nothing will be shown to you. So you can make it if you know what you have saved inside the file, inside the folder. Number 4 is our list icons. List icon is what? In this it will be shown to you in the form of list. All the things will be shown to you in the form of list. Now list view displays the contents as a list of files and folder names preceded by the small icons. Everything will be shown to you in the small icons. Now The view is useful. View folder contains many files, and if you want to scan the list of your file name. So it is very useful when you want to scan the file name. You can sort the file and the folder in the view. We can sort means according to the size, means which is taking more memory, which is taking less memory. According to the size we can sort them. We can make it arrange upside or the downside. So this is the use of this list view. Then number 5 is our details. Detail is used to show the folders including name, type, size, date of modified. Means what we have saved in that, what is the type of that folder, what is the size of that folder, and when we have created that folder, all the things will be displayed to you in the detailed view. Now number 6 is tiles. What do you mean by tiles? Tiles is showing you in the format of thumbnails. Now it displays the files and the folders. In the medium sized icon, it displays the basic information of the files present, such as size and type. Means in the tiles it will display it in the thumbnail format, and it will display the content, means the what type of file you have saved in it, and the date when you have modified it. So these things, size and type of file, will be displayed in this list view. Then the next is your content. What is the meaning of this content? It displays the files and the folders on a separate row along with their detailed information like date modified, size, author, etc. So for the detailed information, if you want to display, then content view is the most appropriate view. So these are certain views in which we can display the files and the folders in our computer system. This is only for the displaying purpose. It will not affect the files and the folders. It will not harm anything. Now the last point, from the school side, already you got my contact number. If you have not seen that contact number, I am giving you. This is the contact number. Students, you feel free to ask any question. If you want any clarification regarding the content, regarding the subject, then you can call me, and thank you.